IBC cage automatic production making machine. The reason why this machine is recommended because it has many advantages such as full etch automata, high production capacity, high precision. IBC cage automatic production making machine, including frame making plus base frame making, is mainly used to manufacturing the IBC cage frame. The complete production line includes the IBC cage frame automatic welding line, inner tank automatic valve welding, leakage detection, automatic lifting the inner tank and put in the frame, stacking, etc. The complete line only needs 9 to 12 people to run. Next, let's have a look at the production working.